Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix mention problem in Instagram. If no one can mention you on Instagram post, what should you do? In this video I will show you that. So for that you just need to open on your Instagram application. Now click on the bottom right corner your profile icon. So here you can see this is your Instagram profile, and you just need to go on the top right corner three line menu bar icon, then select on settings. Now you need to select on this privacy option. Now go on here, just go on mention. There have an option mentions, so you need to select on this. Now here you can see it's selected no one, so you need to select everyone. Just select on everyone, and after that everyone can mention you on Instagram and your problem is solved. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.